streets.
Yeah man, Markland Mcfarlane promoter Watcher Sentan. You have white starlet, nitrous, all motor 20 valve. Yeah, mechanic as well. About 2008 I started racing, so it's a passion for it, Yeah. About 10 years, more about 10 years now since I do this. Get like the natural boost, the all motor thing with the nitrous, Fun. A lot of enjoyment out of it still. Hope to run a good time to meet us still, Do I look a new setup. I don't miss the last one, but I want to miss it still. Yeah. What a question. Well, I want to look at Nissan man, claim to them clip my wing. Couple on them as well too. But I have a plan for them still, so I can bring it on, Yeah man. Well, it was I think it was a meet when it was my birthday. And I win the first class 13 second and Andre Dukas floor me, Billy as well, aka Kill Bill. Yeah man, them do a surprise thing and floor me see as I win the meet, But I get a lot of good memories out of it still. Well, it's a 93 starlet, 20 valve all motor, nitrous, Run pretty well, daily driven. It's down now for about 2 weeks now, but I can get it up and running back before the week finish. Ready for the meet. Today, well, with this car, best time is 12.9, but I have a boost car also. I run a time of 11.4, consistent, about the last 3 meets. Plan for run a good time still, looking forward to a good time, Kind of don't want to get my hopes too high still, but kind of have something in the back of the ball game, Yeah. Well, give thanks enough from bridging them will help me support, Man like Red Square, Michier, Rennie, all of the race group. You see me? I don't know all the way stick together as one. You see? Rennie man, B13. I miss you the 80 wagon, gotta fry. Yeah. Yeah man. Yeah. Well, you can expect a 12-second win, Yeah, can expect that. Yeah man. Looking forward for that. Well, not this meet, the next meet around. Yeah. I have a lot of things in place, but just some little things make it can't come out this meet. I get everything we need so far, Yeah. Big up Jag Rivals 2, March 2019. March the 31st, 2019. I worried scared. Yo, what are you saying, man? Line up a taxi when there's an interview next to them. Ship them crew, man, EG. Yeah. In a group with them, see boss and post up on thing the other day, on sheet. I'm going to say, food. Boss say, yo, you're the listener. Jag Rival, March 31st, 2019. Big up, be there. Big up 876 all time.